Good afternoon, Standard 5th. Our topic for today is water. So, I hope everyone is having the textbook in your hand. Lesson number 16, water, page number 77. Okay. So, quickly tell me the answer for these questions. It's there in your textbook. Can you recall? What happens when a spoonful of sugar, sawdust, and soil are added to a glass of water? Students, kindly take 2 glass of water, and in 1 glass you can do these activities with the help of your parents. Uh, Take a 2 glass of water, and in 1 glass add a sugar, and in another glass add a sawdust and a soil matlab mud. Okay, and uh, the glass with which you added sugar, take a spoon. With the help of spoon you stir it, so the sugar get dissolved in water. And in another glass where you added soil or sawdust, it does not get dissolved in water. uh, it will be floating on the top of the water. You can just do this activity at home with the help of your parents. Okay, student. So next, the second question is, which are the three states of water? Which are the three states of water? Solid, liquid, and gaseous. Solid is the form of ice. It's very hard, solid. Liquid is a water form. And gaseous, you can see that when you boil a water, a steam appears. That is called gaseous state of water. So, three states of water are solid, liquid, and gaseous. Okay. Next, the third question is, what is done to make drinking water clean and safe? What do we do? What we do to pure the water? We start boiling. So boiling makes the water pure. Okay, the organism microorganism present in water get dissolved in when the water gets boiled. Okay, student. So next, pollutions of water. What is water pollution? Water pollution happens when toxic substances enter water bodies such as lakes, rivers, oceans. You can see the pictures of water pollutions. Many waters are transferred to the lakes and rivers. Water from factories, gutters, etc., sewage and all. While it is raining, collect some of the rainwater directly in the clean container placed in the open. Also collect some of the rainwater that is flowing over the ground. Observe and compare the two. Which one is clear? What difference do you see? What is the reason for that? Okay, now when other substance get mixed with water, it becomes impure. See this, when these substances, these water mixed up with the river, then the water becomes impure. Some of these substances float in the water. The waste material that we throw into the rivers, that what will happen, it flows in the water. Some of these substances float in the water, so the water looks unclean or muddy. Some substances dissolve in the water and we cannot see them. If the substance that have got mixed with the water are harmful for living things, these water mixed with the river is very harmful to us. We say that the water has become polluted. Rivers, lakes are our sources of water. What are the main source of water? River, lakes are the main source of water. How does their water get polluted? List the substances that are mixed in the wastewater drain out of the kitchen and bathroom in our house. See, how does the water get polluted? By water from the sewage, gutters. By these waters are transferred to the rivers and lakes, the water get polluted. So, disposal of wastewater. The wastewater of a city or a town is collected and let into a water body, a convenient location. Can you all see the image where the pipes are connected to the rivers, and on this pipe the waste materials, whatever we do day to day, that is transferred, that is passed out through rivers and streams. Okay, the wastewater from residential building as well as from factories and industries contains many kinds of impurities. Some of these dissolve in water while some do not. A polluted sewage water can carry microorganisms that spreads disease. There are various types of diseases nowadays. So these polluted water spreads many types of diseases. Wastewater from industry is morely likely to contain poisonous substances. Okay, the whatever the water passes from the factories, that is more poisonous industries, they are more poisonous and harmful for the human beings. Okay student, because of this, can you all see the picture? Because of this, the fish in the water dies. If all this wastewater is left in the water bodies as it is, the water bodies become polluted, and that is very dangerous for us. Not only for us, for the living things that are in the water. Okay, such water cannot be used for drinking. Can we use this water for drinking or any other purpose? No, we can't use this water for drinking or any other purposes. Such water cannot be used for drinking or for any other purposes. That is why it is compulsory for factory owners to treat the water before letting it out. So the factory owners, those who are sending these types of water into the rivers, they have to take initiative. They have to take certain measures while they pass this water into rivers. Similarly, sewage and other waste waters of towns and cities is processed for the purification before letting into water body. Similarly, the sewage water, whatever the sewage passes through the rivers, even that is purified and then it is sent to the rivers. Okay student, um, this helps to prevent pollutions of water. Following water of rivers gets purified to some extent by natural process also. By some extent we can purify the water by natural process. Before water is supplied to a town or a city, is it purified? So the process of natural purification we'll study in the next class. So for that's all for today's class. Keep reading the textbook. Next class I'll be continuing the same chapter. Thank you.